It's day 6 and I'm having breakfast with my sister. Hello. Hello. Good morning, Savannah.
Good morning, Mercedes. We are on our way. Where are we going? To Padrón. It's 21 kilometers and, you know, it's day. Buen camino. Hey, Mercedes, which way? Hey, Mercedes, which way?
We're on like, I don't know, the second hill of one hill, like it's a double hill. You know, I started this today with like, I'm walking on sunshine, whoa. And now, you know, I'm like, buen camino, amigo. Now I'm like, no buen. No.
Camino mal.
Mal camino. Camino no más.
We're here at El Sello de lo Bello, and we're getting our second stamp. And it's so motivating. We're so.
Si se puede. Hey, Savannah.
I can't feel my legs.
Gandalf, wait. I can't bear the ring alone. Not Gandalf. Sufro solo.
No, sufrimos juntos.
Sí. ¿Vale?